Good morning. This is Around the House with Kay and Tom. I have a neighbor that grows pineapples, and so I have a fresh pineapple that I'm going to cut up. And I'm just going to show you how easy it is to cut up one. So what we need to do is, first off, you need to cut off the top and the bottom. Now I'm going to save the top, and I'm going to plant it. And in about 2 years, there will be another pineapple. Then we're going to cut off the bottom. Boy, this one is really ripe. So all you have to do is just start cutting off the outside. It is so ripe, the juice is just dripping off a knife. Now, when you get it cut, then you go back and you cut out all, they call them eyes. And there's really no rhyme or reason how you cut this, just cut it. And this one seems to be so ripe right here. I'm just going to cut out a little bit of that because I think it's really too ripe right there. There we go. Now what we're going to do, we're just going to slice it into pieces. And what I'm going to do with this one is I'm going to slice it into like spears and put it in the freezer and freeze it overnight. And then all you got to do is put it in a bag, and it really will be good for maybe 6 months. But it will be amazing to you how good a homegrown pineapple is compared to one you buy in the store. Of course, if you buy one in the store and it's not right, you just need to put it in a paper bag with an apple, and it will ripen up almost, well, overnight, really, some of them. This doesn't take long to do. This is going to be really a short video. I think I've got to the bottom. Yeah. So all you've got to do now is cut it up however you like. I mean, you can either cut it up into squares or cubes. But I'm just going to cut these up in long strips. And then if anybody comes, people really like when you offer them, would you like a piece of pineapple? And it really is good just for a snack when it's frozen. This one is definitely ripe, and they're really sweet. So after you get it cut up, take you just a pan. covering this with parchment paper. And all you have to do is just lay it on the paper, put it in the freezer, at least for one night. I have cut them up and left them in there for like 2 nights, and they really get firm. Now this is the one I have just cut up, and I'm getting ready to put that in the freezer. And I have a bag here of some that I cut up last week. And after they're froze, this is what they look like. And they're really crunchy, tasty, and it's a good treat for anybody that comes over. You can put it in a napkin and hand it to them, or put it on a paper plate. They're just pineapple spears, or you can call them strips. But just keep them in the freezer until you get ready to use them. And again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Very short video, but we've had so many pineapples that I don't want them to go to waste. But you can't do but so much with them. I have learned that I can freeze them. And the animals do love them, so you need to pick them. I just almost waited too late to pick that one that I've just cut up. This one here was a better one. So again, Around the House with Kay and Tom. This is a Florida grown pineapple. Hope you enjoyed this little video. It's not much to it, and you actually don't have to go out and buy anything. You can buy the core thing. I've got one of those that you can core it out and make the rings. But with just me being here, this is the easiest way, and I definitely eat them up. Give me your comments, join my channel, and come back to see me, and have a great day. And don't forget, now you just take the tops like this where I've got it cut off, and you just put it in the ground in a pot of soil, in a pot. I just plant mine in the ground, and all you need to do is you need to put enough dirt just to cover up, not very much, and leave it alone. Water it every now and then for you to get another pineapple. Okay, I've got the top set out in this pot, and as you can see, it just is in the dirt. And I did put some water around it. I'll water it again in just a little bit because I see that I got a dry spot in there. And just set it and leave it alone, and if it outgrows the pot, I'll change it to a bigger pot. Nothing to plant no pineapple.